Imagine a home with less smoke, less stuffiness, less stress, and more saving in return. A life with more cooking but with fewer fuel expenses. Now, picture a life with more from a kitchen. Safe and clean. Cooking for better health and protecting your family from high carbon and heat emission. A home where family enjoys being around your kitchen when you cook. Because your cooking fuel is more environmental friendly. Imagine this kind of life in all our homes. Create a safe and smokeless kitchen. Help reduce carbon emission in our homes. Help reduce the rate at which trees are cut for charcoal and firewood. Help reduce respiratory-related illness in our homes. Help conserve the environment at the comfort of your kitchen.